Do you want it all, plus a little guilty indulgence? Well, with this fantastic 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee, you are going to get it. It is nicely equipped with features such as Mopar Chrome Edition Group, Trailer Tow Group 4, Grand Cherokee Overland, 5.7L V8 Multi-Displacement VVT, Adaptive Speed Control, Blind Spot and Cross Path Detection, Power Sunroof, Rear DVD Entertainment Center, Rear Overhead Console, and Rear Seat Video System. Climb into this wonderful Jeep Grand Cherokee, knowing that it will always get you where you need to go, on time, every time.